Well, when it rains, it pours. Oh, it's rusty.
Hose plant? What the hell is that?
Whoa. Karma. Can we see the dry rot in the hose?
That goes to an auxiliary cooler, right?
Yes. That I changed a few years ago. Want to stand on the stool so you're as tall as me? You don't have to.
I'm taller than Beau Danner now.
Hey guys, ScannerDanner here with my son Beau Danner. Beau has been in a few of my videos over the years. It's been a while since you've seen him. So Beau will be 14 at some point this year. And I don't know, when's the first time I had you in a video? You're pretty young. Dirt bike, or was it that one that you were on the stool at Pete's garage and you were spinning around in circles?
Oh yeah, that was it.
That was the one that you saw that fuel pump that was leaking? You're like, Dad, something's leaking. I'm like, it's just snow melting. Meanwhile, it's gas gushing on the ground right next to Pete's fire. All right, see this thing right here? All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this test light and we're gonna touch it like this. Hear that noise? Okay. Wait. Pete? Yeah. We got a major fuel leak, dude. Major fuel leak.
That's why I said I see a leak. Dad, did you do that?
No, I should have listened to you. You were like, hey, Dad, I got a leak. I was like, it's just snow melting. No, saved us there on that one. Anyway, we're here in my driveway, and we have something simple to do. I think relatively simple. I have a power steering cooler that's leaking, and Beau said, Dad, I want to do it. And he doesn't want my help. Of course, I'm going to guide him, but I'm not going to do it for him. And but he does have a class here in like 40 minutes, so we may not be able to get to all of it now. I may have to finish it. I don't know. But Beau's going to help me do this power steering cooler. So you see the cooler behind the grill here. It's all rusty. Thanks, Pennsylvania. And that's why it's leaking from a rusty line, so we got to pull this apart and get to it. All right, so one of the things I'm doing differently here is I'm not mic'd up. I'm using the camera mic, so I have to remember that as we're filming here. But the first thing we want to do, this cover, we might be able to take just this cover off and get down to it. So the way that these work, I'll show you with one of the top ones. You lift that, then you take, I usually use cutters or dikes. I don't have them with me right now, but that part lifts up, and then the whole piece comes out. And technically, it's not the right tool that we're using there, but it works. And then you see the pieces you have laying up there, hand them to me so we don't lose them. Just put them in my hand. Good. That whole top piece should lift off now. Sweet. Okay, dude. See this piece right here?
Yeah.
That's what we're changing. Definitely want to get some penetrating oil on these bolts before we do anything else. We don't want to snap these bolts, okay? So I'm going to open the garage, grab my penetrating oil. Yeah, I think we're getting new lines with this too. So the rubber lines came with the kit, and they come all the way over to here. Yeah, that's going to be fun. So rather than taking the grill apart, we'll see if we can hit this bolt on the inside right there, but see if that fits that. Yeah, cool. All right, hold on a second. I want to show everyone our part. Unfortunately, I tried going to Advance Auto, AutoZone, local stores around here. The only part that they carried for this truck is a Dorman part. I say unfortunately because I'm not a huge fan. It's kind of hit or miss. So hopefully it was manufactured well enough. hoses. Cool. All right, have at it, Beau.
First part.
Good. Good. Cool. Too loose for the wrench, too tight for your hand. Welcome to my world.
Snowy.
Isn't it? Sweet. That should be loose. Cool. Oh, this is easy. This is a cakewalk job. All right, the hardest part's gonna be up here, Beau. We're gonna have to separate these lines. All right, so the lines that we need to do are, let me see that.
Those two right there.
Yeah, they're gonna stay attached. So we have to separate it here and here. Let me get a light. This part's not gonna be too fun. For you especially, because you're new at this kind of stuff. Now we have a drain pan down below. We're definitely gonna be losing some power steering fluid. I'm gonna do one and then you're gonna do the other, okay? Or I can show you what to do. This one, we wanna take this clamp and you wanna squeeze it, twist. This clamp is super rusty. It's a good thing we have new clamps with our new hoses. You really want a second hand in here. Ouch. Ouch. I'm holding the camera with my other hand, but it helps. All right, that whole hose is coming off. That'll be fine. So that's the one. And then the other one's this one right here. You're probably better standing where I am, so I'll switch. We have to take this clamp off. Okay? Nice. Yep. Good. Nice, Beau.
Oh, that clamp is all the way.
That's what we want. That's what we want. Perfect. And then we're gonna take that rubber hose, just grab it with your hand and see if you can pull it up off there. That whole thing.
Ow.
You okay?
Thumb.
Good job. Now this whole thing will come out now. Watch, you're gonna spray fluid all over yourself.
Sweat new shirts.
Put your hand there. Yep, grab that, hold it. New part. And then we want to be careful, Beau, when you're putting this in. Look, I want to show you something.
Yeah.
See how flimsy these fins are?
Yeah.
They'll bend real easy. Actually, they're a lot tougher than I thought. You'll be okay. Just try not to bend those fins, okay? Those are cooling fins.
Yes. Also, the part hoses are bent one way, but you want to put them a different way.
Yeah, for sure. See your bracket at the bottom.
Yeah.
Line your bottom bracket up first. Looks good. Start your top bolt first. You can just start it by hand. All right, so now you're gonna put a bolt in. All right, guys, you can snug that up, but one of the things you never wanna do is take...
You don't want to tighten it all the way because you can't tighten the other one all the way.
Somebody trained you well. We gotta start that bottom one. Well, you can start it by hand, or what you can do, I'm gonna teach you something that's important. All right, so what you do to keep a bolt from falling out, right? Take a piece of plastic like this. It's just from a piece of grocery bag, and then that holds it in place. And then when you're done, it'll just fall right off. And it'll, see?
That's cool.
Cool. And then you can go through the grill with it now and start it. There you go. There you go. And this will be where having an aftermarket part where you may have to do what you're doing.
I have to do my collar.
You can start this bolt first.
I can't get the bolt.
You can get the bolt. This is the hardest part.
It doesn't fit all the way.
Yeah. This is what happens when you buy aftermarket parts. Like, clearly that was manufactured incorrectly.
I need to go start my class.
Well, you did good, Beau. I'm gonna wrap this up. I just gotta put 2 hoses on, tighten that bolt. So thanks for joining us, Beau. Beau's gotta go to his class, so. Cool. Nice and easy. You know, I should probably probably check the worm clamps on the other part close to the cooler. Even if this was a dealer part, still want to check it, make sure they're tight. I'm going to intentionally fill this reservoir up more than it needs to be because that cooler is empty. What's up, man? Why is it loose?
Yeah,
You want me to pull it?
it's super loose, but I don't know how it got loose because it wasn't loose yesterday.
That's my daughter May's voice you're hearing. She wants me to pull her tooth. Auto mechanic,
You can see it.
dentist,
You can see it separate.
dad. Let's see. Want it on camera?
No. No.
Okay. So thanks for joining us on that real quick video. I tried to get Beau to stand next to me and just to record how big he is now. I mean, he's taller than me. And he's homesick from school and he didn't want any part of that. So here's a couple pictures of Beau on our trip where we took to Tennessee area to pick up his 85 Toyota Celica. That was a fun trip. We have that recorded too. You guys can watch that. But thanks for joining me, guys. You guys have been watching my family grow up with me. And it's just been a pleasure to have you all here for this ride. The Danner family is very thankful for each and every one of you.